This is Dr. Sharma, maxillofacial prosthodontist and implantologist from Colonel's Dental Spa, Bangalore, India. God never sent us down with a toothbrush. He probably never wanted us to brush our teeth, but He always wanted us to keep our teeth clean. A toothbrush which we use every single day was invented almost just about 150 to 200 years back. How did people maintain their oral hygiene before that? Actually, we must know that the size of the teeth, their arrangement inside the mouth in a beautiful arch form, and the way the teeth come in contact with each other is so beautiful by nature that once you put some food inside the mouth for chewing, the upper and the lower teeth come in contact and then they chew the food in such a condition where the food itself glides over the tooth surfaces, cleaning the teeth, massaging the gum, the flushing action of the saliva also contributing to this effect. This is called the natural cleaning process. But then this is something which is incorporated into our system. But then it doesn't happen exactly the way I have said. Even after good chewing and good mastication, certain food particles are stuck between the teeth. They are not supposed to be there, but they are still there. This is where the role of a toothbrush comes. So the idea of brushing is not to rub the teeth or to make them shine. People who think that harder they brush, more they clean, harder you brush, more you damage. So actually brushing technique is something which has to be learned. Correct brushing technique is something which a dentist can teach you. We all brush in an ad hoc manner. Now brushing technique is basically, something called up and down, round and round, a simple formula. But then the general mistake that we make is that we concentrate more upon brushing the front teeth and we generally forget the babies at the back. And that is where the decay generally happens because we generally brush the teeth which show a little more. Now, the correct brushing technique is to start from the behind teeth and not mix up between the upper and the lower teeth. For example, you start from the lower left last tooth, brush upwards and then keep coming in the front. Then change the stance and go on to the right side again in the upward direction. Go up to the last right tooth. What is very important is go around the last tooth and come on the inside surface. This is another mistake people make, that they brush the teeth from the outside and they forget the inside surface. So go on the inside surface of the teeth and keep brushing the teeth in an upward direction right from the last tooth coming up to the front teeth and then going in the opposite direction to the left side and then again going up to the last tooth on the left side and going around the last tooth. This is one cycle completed. Repeat the same thing with the upper teeth. This is the correct technique of brushing. Force should never be applied while brushing the teeth and it should be a gentle wristy motion rather than using your bicep. Harder you brush, more you damage. At Colonel's Dental Spa, we believe that education plays a very important role and teaching patients is something which is incorporated into our whole education program. We believe that education is as important and maintenance is as important as the treatment that we perform.